Hello friends, I am Ritika and welcome to our YouTube channel Indian Legal. And today I will give you study material on the topic CRPC for bar exam. So let me start. First of all, Criminal Procedure Code carries 10 marks in the bar exam as per the latest syllabus. Indian law prescribes a specific procedure where different players must follow in the event of a criminal cases is filed for prosecuting the accused and punishing him if he is found guilty. Specific steps should be followed for recording the complaint or FIR, investigating into the crime, for conducting the trial, for taking evidence, hearing witnesses, for passing a sentence, etc. These processes are elaborated in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 CRPC. Question number 1. Unless he is produced before a magistrate, an arrested person cannot be detained by the police for the more than option A 12 hours, option B 24 hours, option C 36 hours, option D 48 hours. Answer option B 24 hours. Question number 2. If investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours, a magistrate can extend the detention of an accused for a period not exceeding option A 60 days, option B 30 days, option C 15 days, option D 7 days. Answer option C 15 days. Question number 3. Which of these cannot make an arrest as per the provisions of CRPC? Option A private person, option B judicial magistrate, option C executive magistrate, option D armed force personnel. Answer option D armed force personnel. Question number 4. When an arrest warrant is executed, the arrested person must be brought to the court within the limit of whose jurisdiction the arrest is made if the court issuing the warrant is not within option A 30 kilometers from the place of arrest, option B 20 kilometers from the place of arrest, option C 10 kilometers from the place of arrest, option D 5 kilometers from the place of arrest. Answer option A 30 kilometers from the place of arrest. Question number 5. B was arrested for cheating in 2012 and had escaped bail when he was granted one by the court. He has been arrested again for the forgery in 2013 and he has applied for bail. Which of the following is true? Option A. The two indicates distinct and the offences are not related. Option B. Court may refuse to release B on a bail. Option C. Court must refuse to release B on the bail. Option D. B can claim bail as a right. Answer option B. Court may refuse to release B on a bail. Question number 6. A person accused on non-bailable offence can be granted bail by a magistrate's court unless option A. There are grounds for believing that he has committed an offence punishable with the death or life imprisonment. Option B. He is repeat offender. He is suspected to have committed a congenital offence and has previously been convicted for having committed congenital offences. Option C. He is a politically connected person or a public officer. Option D. Both A and B. Answer option D. Both A and B. Question number 7. A magistrate's court usually has the discretion to grant bail in case of non-bailable offences, but where the accused may have committed an offence which carries punishment of life imprisonment or death, or if he is a repeat offender in respect of a cognizable offence, the court does not have discretion and must refuse bail. There are exceptions to this rule, that is, certain categories of people can be granted bail even if they are likely to have committed a serious offense or are repeat offenders. Which of these is within the ambit of such expectation? Option B, sick or infirm person. Option C, person below 16 years of age. Option D, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 8. An anticipatory bail may be granted by option A, Session Court. Option B, High Court. Option C, granted by A, by subject to confirmation by B. Option D, B and A. Answer option D, both A and B. Question number 9. Special powers to direct bail of any accused on certain conditions or to modify the conditions already prescribed lie which of the following? Option A, Sessions Court. Option B, Chief Judicial Magistrate. Option C, Chief Matrimonial Magistrate. Option D, all of the above. Answer option A, Sessions Court. Question number 10. In a case where a surety for an accused dies, option A, his legal heirs become sureties. B, bail cannot be granted again. Option C, fresh surety is asked for and on failure to furnish fresh security, the court can consider it to be a breach of the original order. Option D, bail continues subject to the daily presence of the accused in the police station nearest to him. Answer option C. Answer option C. Fresh surety in asked for and on failure to furnish fresh security, the court can consider it to be a breach of the original order. Question number 11. Police cannot compel the attendance of any person as a witness if he is under the age of option A 15 years, option B 16 years, option C 18 years, option D 16 years. Answer option A 15 years. Question number 12. A confession during the course of an investigation must be made before option A, Sessions Judge, option B, Judicial Metropolitan Magistrate, option D, Accused Magistrate, option D, Superintendent of Police. Question number 13. A person whose investigation cannot be completed within 24 hours must be forwarded to a magistrate by an officer not below the rank of option A, Head Constable, option B, Sub Inspector, option C, Inspector, option D, Superintendent of Police. Answer option B, Sub Inspector. Question number 14. In number of cases can magistrate authorize the detention of the accused person is in custody for more than option A 30 days, option B 45 days, option C 60 days, option D 90 days. Answer option C 60 days. Question number 15. The report forwarded to the magistrate by the officer in the charge after completion of investigation does not contain option A, any arrest made, option B, persons who appear to know the facts, option C, names of parties, option D, punishment that must be meted out. Answer option D, punishment that must be meted out. Question number 16. An inquest into suicide or death leading to the suspension of an offence is ordinarily conducted by option A, officer in charge, Option B, executive magistrate. Option C, judicial magistrate of second class. Option D, judicial magistrate of first class, metropolitan magistrate. Question number 17. A medical examination of an accused can be done at the request of a police officer not below rank of option A, sub inspector, option B, inspector, option C, superintendent of police, option D, senior superintendent police. Answer option A, sub inspector. Question number 18. Attendance of a person cannot be compelled by option A, summon, option B, warrant, option C, judicial pronouncement, option D, proclamation and attachment. Option answer option C, judicial pronouncement. Question number 19. A warrant may be executed option A within the jurisdiction of the court where the magistrate issues the warrant. Option B, within the section division where the warrant is issued. Option C, within the jurisdiction of the High Court under whose jurisdiction warrant was issued. Option D, at any place in India. Answer option D, at any place in India. Question number 20. An attached property may be sold on non-appearance of the proclaimed person at the expiration of option A 1 month, option B 3 month, option C 6 month, option D 12 month. Answer option C 6 month. Question number 21. An officer making a search pursuant to a search warrant issued by the court must do it in the presence of option A 1 witness, option B 2 witness, option C 3 witness, option D owner of the property only. Answer option B 2 witnesses. Question number 22. Which of these is not true about the sermon? Option A, it may be oral. Option B, must be in writing in duplicate. Option C, must be signed by a presiding officer of the court. Option D, must bear the seal of the court. Answer option A, it may be oral. Question number 23. If a summons is to be sent outside the jurisdiction of the court, ordinarily the court serve it by option A, sending it to the court in that jurisdiction. Option B, sending it to the High Court, which further direct the summons to the concerned court. Option C, sending it to the concerned person directly. Option D, information provided above is insufficient. Answer option A, sending it to the court in that jurisdiction. Question number 24. A court issuing a warrant to arrest against an accused may permit the officer executing the warrant to release the accused if he furnishes a bond with adequate sureties for appearance before a court. For this purpose, the court makes an endorsement on the warrant. Which of the following is not required to be mentioned on the endorsement? Option A, number of sureties. Option B, the amount required to be taken. Option C, the manner of taking securities. Option D, the time when the accused must attend the court. Answer option C, the manner of taking securities. Question number 25. A warrant may be executed in option A, the jurisdiction of the court issuing it only. Option B, the jurisdiction of the High Court under which the issuing court falls. Option C, the jurisdiction of the court where the investigation, trial, or complaint has taken place. Option D, anywhere in India. Answer option D, anywhere in India. Question number 26. A is alleged to have committed an offence which is punishable but which is not identifiable by a specific name under the law. What must the charge for this offence mention? Option A, the name of the offence which bears closest resemblance of the offence committed. Option B, no name is necessary. Option D, description of the offence. Option D, no charge can be made in this case. Question answer option C, description of the offence. Question number 2. A is accused to have committed an offence and the nature and violated provisions of the law and state in the charge, but the date and time are not specified. This would in result. Option A, no effect on charge. Option B, alteration to be made before proceedings may continue. Option C, dismissal of charge. Option D, fresh charge to be filed. Answer option A, no effect on charge. Question number 3. A charge is filed in a case pursuant to which oral evidence is taken. Subsequently, the charge is altered by the court for failure to include material information. Which of the following is true? Option A, evidence taken hitherto will continue to have effect. Option B, such evidence should be taken again. Option C, proceedings should restart from the beginning. Option D, proceedings should be suspended. Answer option B, such evidence should be taken again. Question number 29. A person may be charged together if in a year he conducts. Option A, 3 offences of the same kind. Option B, 4 offences of the same kind. Option C, 5 offences of the same kind. Option D, 6 offences of the same kind. Question number 20. Answer option A, 3 offences of the same kind. Question number 30. A breaks into B's house by breaking his door and windows, kidnaps his child C. 4. Ransom and kills C subsequently. Which of these offences may be tried together? Option A, assault on B's property. Second, kidnapping of C's. Third, murder of C. Option A, second and third. Option B, first and third. Option C, first and second. Option D, first, second and third. Answer option D, first, second and third. Question number 31. On finding that the case is not exclusively triable by the Sessions Court, a judge of such a court, option A, must forward the case of Chief Judicial Magistrate or a Judicial Magistrate of the first class who will be responsible for the forming the charge. Option B, must try the case himself. Option C, may forward the case of the Chief Judicial Magistrate or Judicial Magistrate of the first class after forming a charge. Option D, the CRPC is silent on this. Answer option C. Question number 32. In a sessions trial, if an accused pleads guilty, the sessions judge, option A, must convict and sentence him. Option B, may convict him after recording the plea. Option C, forward the case to the judicial magistrate for the sentencing. Option D, forward the case to him. to the High Court. Answer option B, may convicted him after recording the plea. Question number 33. In an offence of defamation of a public servant, if the court discharge the accused, it may direct the person by who alleged that the offence was committed by the accused to the show cause why he should pay compensation. The direction cannot be directed against option A, President, option B, Vice President, option C, Governor, option D, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 33. A files a complaint alleging that B has committed an offence. The magistrate finds that no reasonable ground for the accusation existed on being ordered to pay compensation by the magistrate. If a default on payment, he may be subjected to option A, simple imprisonment not exceeding 30 days, option B, rigorous imprisonment not exceeding 30 days, option C, simple imprisonment not exceeding 60 days, option D, rigorous imprisonment not exceeding 60 days. Answer option A, simple imprisonment not exceeding 30 days. Question number 34. A complainant cannot withdraw his complaint at any time until option A, court takes cognizance of the case, option B, charge is formed, option C, arguments between the prosecution and the defense begin, option D, final order is passed. Answer option D, final order is passed. Question number 35. A magistrate may convert a summons trial to warrant trial if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding option A, 6 months, option B, 4 months, option C, 2 months, option D, 1 month. Answer option A, 6 months. Question number 36. A case cannot be tried summarily by option A, magistrate of the first class, option B, sessions judge, option C, chief judicial magistrate, option D, metropolitan magistrate. Question number 37. The maximum sentence of imprisonment that may be given for a case triable summarily is option A, 1 month, option B, 2 months, option C, 3 months, option D, 6 months. Answer option C, 3 months. Question number 38. Which of these offences may not be tried summarily? Option A, theft or property which has value of less than 200 rupees. Option B, offence for which imprisonment exceeds 2 years. Option C, insult with the intent to provoke a breach of the peace. Option D, criminal intimidations. Answer option D, criminal intimidations. Question number 39. An accused who does not truthfully answer or refuse to answer question put him by the court may be option A, subjected to 1 month imprisonment, option B, subjected to a fine for a 1000 rupees, option C, subjected to 1 month's imprisonment and a fine for a 1000 rupees, option D, cannot be liable to any punishment. Answer option D, cannot be liable to any punishment. Question number 40. When an offender has been sentenced to payment of a fine, the court cannot recover the fine by option A, issuing warrant for attachment of movable property, option B, issuing warrant for sale for movable property, option C, by publicly auctioning movable property, option D, issue warrant to the district collector for releasing the amount as arrears of the land revenue. Answer option C, by publicly auctioning movable property. Question number 41. The place where any person may be liable to payment to be imprisoned or committed to the custody is determined by option A, High Court, option B, state government after the consultation with the High Court, option C, state government after consultation with the central government, option D, state government. आंसर ऑप्शन डी, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स। सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।